How to add playing a game on Discord Mobile. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can add the current game you're playing on your profile. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and hit the subscribe button as well. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new updates. So let's begin. First thing first, you need to open up your Discord mobile app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you just want to tap on the U page right here and on the gear icon on the top right corner. Once you are on the settings, you just want to find your privacy settings. So go ahead and scroll down until you find your privacy settings. And once you do that, you just scroll down and uh, turn on all of these options right here. And after you have done that, you can go back to your profile and you can even add your custom status. For that, you just have to tap on this add status button and you can just write what you're up to. So for example, if you want to say I'm playing something, playing a game, for example, EAFC. So you can do that and then save it and it will be on your profile for 24 hours. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.